Hello, I am Izzy. I am with the Expert Gate Company. I'm here with Joe. We are here in Los Altos Hills in another beautiful job we just completed. When the client asked me to build a design that will complement his house, I knew right away this is the design to go with. So what you see here is a steel sliding gate, pedestrian gate, and steel fencing all around. We have a LiftMaster gate opener CSL24, and we have an intercom system. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in your next project.